Guys, I ordered something again for my merienda. And this one is nuggets with fries and of course milk tea. Now let's prepare the nuggets first. Mura lang siya for 85 pesos. I can... Oh! May sauce siya! What? Okay na din. Hindi ko binasa ng maayos yung description. I thought it's 70. By the way, ito yung mayonnaise and ketchup kasama, and of course the nugget sauce. Mainit pa, so it's good. Bagong luto. And of course, hindi siya mabubuo with milk tea. Oh my gosh, I really need a cold beverage right now kasi my cheek is still swelling. But I hope it goes away soon. Nagagi mat. Baka malaglag. Wait. Let me just... I need to clean up later. But first... Here. By the way, yung flavor nito is strawberry flavor. It's good. It's really good. You know guys, sudden flashback lang kasi when I was still a grade 8 student sa dati kong school is lagi kami bumibili ng milk tea na to. Tealightful. Kasi malapit lang siya sa school and we're always there with my classmates and best friends. Dun kami nag-hangout lagi and good memories lang and I miss them. Medyo salty lang. Yung sauce or yung nuggets? Fries. Not bad. Taran! Hindi ko mapakita sa inyo. Baka kasi tumaob. Ito yung maalat. I like the flavor. Maybe it's barbecue or something. Pero it's too salty. Yummy! Usually talaga sumusumpong yung gutom ko sa hapon eh. Kasi late na ako gumigising. And I didn't take any breakfast in the morning. Diretso lunch na kasi I see too much and that's not really healthy. And kanina wala akong tulog. I stay up all night my friend in Discord, nagpuyat kami hanggang umaga, hanggang 7 a.m. Pero after ng 7 a.m. is natulog na ako. And dapat may practice kami ngayon sa sayaw, but I'm afraid na baka maano yung ipin ko, so I didn't attend. And marami rin namang di ma-attend, so maybe bukas pag merong practice ulit is I will attend. Kasi linggo rin kasi ngayon, it's supposed to be my rest day, you know. By the way, guys, puro fast food yung kinakain ko. And it is not healthy. I need to eat fruits later, so para mabawi ko yung nutrients. Kasi fast food can make you have a lot of calories, I think, and hindi siya healthy. Pero pag nagutom ka, wala na, kahit ano na lang bilhin mo. Wala siyang matter. Basta mas mabusog ka lang. You know what I'm saying? By the way, I like the nuggets. Diba pala yung binili ko is, kasi may kamahalan kasi yung nuggets na lang siguro na 7 pieces. Masamid ako ng loob. Di ko Oh my gosh! Hindi ko malagay yung sauce ng nugget. It doesn't fit in. I miss McDonald's nuggets today. Ang alat talaga ng sauce. You need to pair it with something sweet like this. By the way, guys, yung flavor na pala is strawberry flavor milk tea. It's large size. Siguro na kalaki. Done sa nuggets. I will save the fries for later. Or maybe I will give it to my cousin kasi he really loves loves fries and I think I will make, bibigay ko na lang sa kanya. Oh no, ang dami nalagyan. Don't worry guys, my hands is clean, so kagi nalaglag. Kinda salty lang for me. Pero overall maganda. Moving on for the milk tea. Hanggang kalahati lang. I will not get any boba kasi I need to avoid chewing a lot of times kasi yung ipin ko baka makalat ko. Kakasabi ko pa lang. Delicioso. Delicioso. Where's my phone? Alright guys, I think it's for today's eating show lang. No, may magtapos ng video na inapos ko yung pagkain ko kasi I don't really eat much. I just love eating when I'm hungry or something. And pinifilm ko lang kasi I think it became a hobby of mine. Kasi they say na when you're talking to yourself or you're filming and you're talking to the camera, it will reduce stress. And it really works for me. Kaya usually ginagawa ko na siya. And kaya hindi ko siya pinupost sa YouTube. So okay lang kasi someday I will see it as a remembrance when I grow up. And memories rin, diba? So it's good na dapat mag-document kayo ng sarili nyo whenever you're bored para kung hindi ano yung iniisip nyo. Kasi ako, like I said in the previous video, overthinker akong tao and sobrang lala ng pag-overthink ko and really affects my mental health. Kaya now, tinatry kong i-avoid by filming myself while eating and playing games with my friends, and basta yung ginagawa ko yung mga hobbies ko para malibang ako and ayun. But ang hindi lang healthy sa is yung pagpupuyat kasi kanina hindi talaga ako natulog as in, and I have someone with me but they step earlier than me, so I won. You know, kung sino ka man, kilala mo na ang sarili mo, but you don't know me, so basta kilala mo na. Basta yung friend ko sa Discord, hello sa'yo. Talo ka sa akin, malakas ako magpuyat, ikaw hindi. By the way guys, wait lang. Isang sip na lang and then I will end the video. Bye!